All right, so I'm in the office doing some like office work, reviewing the analytics for cutting up and all these like things that I do like on a daily basis. And there's something that I never noticed. Maybe I'm late to this, maybe this is something new, but I know you hear this in the background. I just wanted to show you this because I thought it was like mad cool. Here is Dan's voice, obviously. So let's hear him in a different language that's dubbed over. Like Dan doesn't speak Spanish. Let's listen to Portuguese. Let's do French. I thought that was so cool. Like, you know, to know that your content has been created and people from all over the world can watch your content is like so cool, right? But the next level of that is for people to watch your content and hear it in a language that is comfortable to them is like mind-blowing. Like, so I don't know if this is new. So if you are a content creator on YouTube, tell me if this is new to you, but it's new to me at least. Again, that's the beauty of content creation, is that you can touch lives of people that are so far. And there's gonna be somebody that's gonna say, it's not that serious, he cuts hair. He does reviews on like hair products and skincare products and health products and wellness products and stuff like that, right? But the reality is, like, there's something so amazing about connecting with someone really far away and being represented. You know, like, we don't speak these languages. I speak a little Spanish, right? Un poquito español, right? To think about the audience of who is hearing this and seeing this and saying, oh my gosh, that's a great recommendation, and I understand it, you know, not like, oh, I think I understood what he said. Like, you hear it in a language that you're comfortable with. I'm so excited about that. So if there's a language that you would love to hear some of Dan's reviews in, comment below, and then maybe I can add those languages. All right, so these are the languages right now. So yeah, maybe YouTube knows the analytics and they're like, okay, you get a lot of people that watch from here, and then let's do that. You can add a language here. Look how many languages they have, guys. American Sign Language, I'd be interested to see this one, but look how many languages they can auto dub, I guess. I'm assuming you want to pick areas that you know you have a high viewership, or do you want to pick areas that you would hope you would get a better viewership by adding this language? We do have a big Filipino base, maybe adding Tagalog. So yeah, I'm gonna explore it more and I'll update you.